Today I am making chicken croquettes. This is a Goan starter dish. I have used 3 big onions. I've chopped it up and I'm frying it in a little bit oil till it becomes translucent and pinkish in color. To that I will add green chilies and red chilies just to give it some color. And you can add as many as you like depending on how pungent you want it. Fry it all up together. Take 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or corn flour, whatever you have available. Mix it to this onion mixture. Stir it a bit and add chicken stock. I have also used chicken in this dish, which I had boiled and shredded. I am using the stock of the chicken that I boiled. Mix it all together so it binds well. Now you add the chicken that you have shredded and bring it all together. We had boiled chicken with some salt and pepper, so I am not adding any salt and pepper now. I will add again at the end. I have also boiled about 3 medium-sized potatoes and have grated the same. To this I have added 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 egg yolk. I will mix all this together. I have grated some cheddar cheese, some mozzarella cheese and some Amul processed cheese, which I will put into this mixture and mix till it all is well mixed together. I have also used some herbs. You can use either coriander or parsley, it's up to you. I have used coriander. Now we will mix the chicken that we have cooked before into this mixture. This is the coriander that I have used. We'll mix this all together and bind it properly and make equal size tennis sized balls. You can either make balls or you can make it in a log shape. It's all up to you. Dip it in plain flour. Then in the egg white, we had used 1 yolk. The white that was remaining, I will dip this chicken ball into that so it's well coated, and then I will put it in breadcrumbs and coat it well. There you go, it goes into the breadcrumbs and I will coat it well. I will do this with all the remaining equal sized chicken balls that I have made. I will show you another one. Put it first in the flour, coat it well. Then put it in the egg dip. And then in the breadcrumbs. Now, once we finished with coating all our meatballs, we will deep fry this in white oil till they are golden brown. Make sure to deep fry it on medium heat, but the oil should be nice and hot. I hope you like the few cooking recipes that I put up in my channel. Do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and being a part of my cooking passion.